How to use BlueSky Social. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can use BlueSky Social. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to use the BlueSky Social app, you may download the application from any of the app store available. After that, simply log in into your account. You may use an email address in order to do so. After you have successfully logged in into your BlueSky app, after you have created your account, you'll be able to see the BlueSky dashboard on your screen. So you may just use these applications in order to see the post of other people. Like here right now on my screen, you can see a bunch of posts here, like their status about what they're doing, what kind of things is going on in the world, such kind of things. Or you may go on with the process on doing so. And if you want to follow those people, you can find this profile option very easily. Beside their profile also, you will find this plus icon very easily. You can simply tap on this plus icon and you can find this follow citizen screen. Just tap on it and you have successfully followed that person. And in order to go and look up their account, you may just tap on this and you'll be redirected to their page, where you'll be finding all of the posts that they have provided, along with the replies and the media that they have posted. And here you can see all of this followers following and their posts, like how much posts they have done. Along with that, on the side of following, you when you click on the three dot, you'll be finding share, add to list, mute account, block account, and report account. If you want to do any of those, you may just come here and follow those steps. After that is done, on home screen you can find this post option also. If you want to post anything on this BlueSky app, you can find this blue pin icon at the bottom very easily. Just tap on it, and in order to create a post, you may just type in any of the random text. And if you want to add picture, you may just tap on this picture here, gallery here, and if you want to post any video from your camera roll, you may just click on the video option at the side of the picture. After that, you can see this camera icon. If you click on the camera icon, you may just click a picture or a video at that moment. After that, you may just upload it here and post it. And here there is also a GIF option. You can use that option to create your post and make it more fun. After that, here on the plus icon, you can find this plus icon and you can add more than one post on the same particular post. And here you can see English as well. Just tap on English and you may just post or switch up the language as well. And after that is done, you may also choose the audience if you want. Like if you tap on this, anyone can interact. You can find this allow replies from nobody and different kind of interaction settings here. Just tap on it. After that, simply tap on post after everything is edited and your post should be posted. And to look to your post, you may just head over to your profile at the bottom right. And when you head over to the bottom right, you'll be finding all of the posts that you've done on your account. So if you want to delete any of the posts that is available, just click on the three dot. After that, you can easily find the delete post option as well. And let's go back to our home screen again. And if we go to our home screen again, you can find this menu bar at the top left. When you click on it, you'll be finding different kind of options like search, chat. So if you want to chat with any of your followers or following, just tap on the chat section and you will just look up for the person that you want to chat with. And another thing is notifications. Like if you want to know about the notifications, like who has followed you, who has liked your post, you may just come up to notifications. And on feeds, we can find about the trending things that is going on around the world. And the next thing is you can find this list. Just tap on list, and when you go to list, you can find this public shareable list which can drive feeds. And on your profile, when you go to the profile, you will find your profile settings like your username, your social handle name, and all of the things, along with replies, media, likes, feeds, starter packs, and lists as well. After that, just get over to the home again, and this time we're going to go to the settings. Like when you go to our settings, we can find a bunch of options here like account. When you click on account, you can change your email, your birthday, password, and handle. And you may also delete your account if you want from going on with that process. And under privacy and security, you can find two-factor authentication. You may enable this option if you want more security in your app. And there are other app password as well. And you can find this moderation option as well. You may just choose out these options and set up your device. And you can find this content and media appearance, accessibility, languages option as well. And there are different kind of options that you may just choose in order to use the app. So therefore, this is how you use the app BlueSky. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.